This is Prabhashri, Assistant Professor of Mathematics Department, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to see a case study video about function of several variables and then differentiations. And my students will continue this.
Myself Mageshwaran from IT Department. Let me tell about the application of double integral. Calculating the mass of metal plates with variable densities. A manufacturing company produces metal sheets whose thicknesses varies due to the machine limitation. To estimate this total mass, a simple average density is not accurate. Using double integral helped determine the exact mass despite non-uniform density, essentially for accurate cost elimination and structural design. Finding the volume of reservoirs. A civil engineer team is designing a small water reservoir with a curved bottom. The depth varies, so traditional geometrical formulas don't work. Double integral provide an accurate volume measurement for curved surfaces using the water management and environment engineering. Heat distribution in metal plates. A plate is heated unevenly, and the engineers want to know the total amount of heat energy stored in it. Double integration helps engineers compute heat content over irregular regions. Important is cooling system design and thermal analysis. Thank you.
Myself S. Mahan from IT department. I am going to explain about application of several variable in computer graphics. In computer graphics, function of several variable plays a key role in creating realistic animation, games and visual effects. Every 3D objects we see on screen is defined using a mathematical function that depend on multiple variables such as position, lighting, texture and camera angle. For example, lighting models use function of several variables to determine how bright or dark surface appears based on the light source, the object shape and the viewer's position. Similarly, shading and rendering techniques use multivariable reflection and shadows. Even realistic water clouds and in video games are generated using multivariable noise function. These mathematical topics allow the developers to transform simple coordinates into visually stunning schemes, making computer graphics a perfect example of how math brings imagination to life in the IT industry. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself Jeffrey Rowan from ITA. Today I am going to explain about the applications of triple integrals. First application is finding a volume of a 3D region. Triple integrals can calculate the volume of any 3D shape. Next, finding a mass of a solid. It's a solid density, and to find its mass, it is mainly used in physical engineering. Center of the mass and centroid. Triple integrals help find the balance point of a 3D object. Next, moment of inertia used in mechanics to measure the rotational resistance. Next, total charge of a total energy. If a charge density or charge density is given, the useful in electricity, magnetism and thermodynamic. Fluid mechanics, fluid pressure force. Triple integrals can compute the forces due to fields inside tanks and drums, etc. Heat flow. Temperature varies inside as an integrals can find the total heat. Next, probability in a 3D distributions used in statistics. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Adimalam from IT department. Now I am going to tell about applications of functions of several variables in engineering. First, functions of several variables play a major role in model engineering. These functions help engineers analyze systems that depend on more than one factor at a time. For example, in mechanical engineering, the performance of an engine depends on temperature, pressure and volume, three different variables that work together. In civil engineering, the strength of a structure is depend by material type, load and environment conditions. Electrical engineers use multi-variable functions to study voltage, current and resistance in complex circuits. In computer science and AI algorithms learn patterns from data sets involving many variables. Overall functions of several variables help engineers model real-world situations, optimize designs and make accurate predictions. They are essential tools for solving complex engineering problems. Thank you.